Advanced dictionary techniques in Python enhance code efficiency and elegance. Mastering nested structures and transformation patterns allows for sophisticated data manipulation. These skills are crucial for writing Pythonic code that is both concise and powerful. Dictionary comprehensions offer a concise way to create and transform dictionaries. They replace verbose loops with single-line expressions, enhancing readability and efficiency. This feature allows for elegant data manipulation, making your code more Pythonic and streamlined. Dictionary comprehensions use a concise syntax. Key expr. Value expr for item in iterable. They can include conditions. K, V for K, V in items if condition, allowing for efficient data transformation. This approach is faster than traditional loops due to Python's C-level optimization, enhancing both performance and readability. Consider the age increment operation. Using a traditional approach, we initialize a dictionary and iterate over items to update values. However, with dictionary comprehension, we achieve the same result in a single line. Name. Age plus 1 for name. Age in ages.items. This enhances readability and performance.